I want to write poetry on my house. Engrave it onto the bones of the city. Scribble over street lamps and mailboxes. Where pigeons are a chorus of flight. Shoot away from our taco truck on 16th and Mission. These temporary fixtures drift away easily, but always come back. An artist tapes paper fortunes onto windows, like prayers for the sun. I walk by a house painted in goldfish wishes, swim with promises. Stores try to beckon children with battered gumbo. A rainbow of sugar contained in a dome. This neighborhood dens in colorful crossroads. Here we are, just a speck of map. In a one-way street named Lucky, I remember sidewalks that echo the sound of coins clattering to the ground. Like crumbled leaves, secret lives in the book. I walk and collect poems in my pocket.